How to remove pin from Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove your pin while signing in your computer or PC. This easy step will help you remove the pin while signing in to your computer or PC. This is super simple, so let's get started. First thing first, you need to click to the start button over here. Once you're in the start button, you can see the settings button. Simply go ahead and click on that. Now that the setting is open, you need to scroll down and click on accounts. Once you're in the accounts, you can see the sign in option. You need to simply go ahead and click on that. Once you do that, you can see the pin option over here. Simply go ahead and click on that. And once you do that, you can see the remove this sign in option over here. You need to simply go ahead and click on remove. And then you need to click on remove again. Now this will ask you to verify your account password. You need to simply go ahead and enter the password that you have created before. And once you have done that, you need to click on OK. And that's it. You now know how to remove the pin from your Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.